Hi guys, hello again. So here we are in this beautiful ADU. Remember? The one with the 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So everything right now came to the end. The project is finished. The client is super happy. As you can see here, we have the open concept kitchen. It's all custom-made cabinetry, 2 tones. You can see here, beautiful sitting area, like the dining room, and then some TV, living room on this corner. And then here, as you can see, this is the half bathroom. Outside is the balcony. Here we are going to install wood decking on the floor. You can see here we have like 2 outdoor lights, this beautiful patio cover. Follow us to the first floor. I'm going to show you over there all the bedrooms and the bathrooms. We're limited with spacing, so that's why the best location for the laundry was to be right here, close to the entrance. It's close to all the bedrooms, so that makes a lot of sense. Here we have the master bedroom with the master bathroom with double sink vanity. Come inside. I'll show you. We have a walk-in shower, second bedroom, very nice size. Again, the client is still buying furniture for the kid. And we also have another closet in here. And then outside here we have another guest bathroom.
We decided to go with Oran because the other guys they didn't seem right. Oran just felt like the right trustworthy person to go with. So we ended up going with Oran. Oran was great at just managing or getting the workers here at the right time. This build was built very efficiently, really fast. Communication was great. From the first day I met Oran, we spoke almost every day. Yeah, and throughout the whole build, he was in communication with me, along with Eli, his manager, who's here like almost every day. Oran, I had a lot of requests to get this built differently from any other build, and Oran was open to it, and we actually did those things. In the end, right now, I'm very happy with this place. Tulip Remodeling really did everything on time. Actually, with all my changes or the city changes, I will recommend Oran Tulip Remodeling. I already have recommended them to a couple people after they saw this place. But yeah, even after, anybody that I welcome here and see the place, I'll recommend if they're wanting to build something. I just want to say thank you